so tell us a little bit about the bow tie kits. Like, what was your impetus for creating them?
Right. Yeah. So I went to, actually, it was all about Maker Faire. I
Ah,
went to a few Maker Fairs, and I knew that the branding and the vibe that like Maker Faire was giving off probably wouldn't be something that like my parents would have brought me to as a girl, because I'm an only
mm,
child, and
mhm.
like I was a little ballet dancing girl, but I also like obviously love all this tech stuff now, but I knew that like my parents wouldn't see that in me when they saw this like big red robot and like all these engineering things. They wouldn't bring me there. So I thought like, maybe I could try to make a really quick craft project that like had that tech in it, but was like a craft project at its heart. And that way the parents might be like, oh, look, it's a crafty place. Like, let me bring, give the like stereotypical mindset of like bringing the girl into. So I
Mhm.
started to create these like mashup projects and trying to figure out like, okay, if you're the type of person who only buys in the girl aisle, and there's no tech there, that's not good,
Yeah.
So I
Yep.
started to think about how I could like do these crossover things, because I think Maker Faire did a good job of like welcoming the like more masculine stuff, but not
Yeah.
as much as the feminine stuff. So yeah, that's kind of where it came out. It actually started, I made little flower pins,
Mhm.
and then I was like, oh, I could play on formal wear. So like you could wear it as a bow tie or a bow
I
too.
loved
So
that
like
about
I
it
was
too.
I was trying
Yeah.
to like bring in like okay, we got like, all the ranges of gender, all the ranges of like different types of tech and shiny stuff, and like just kind of like throw all those things together and then like make a project that was as simple as possible, so that you would feel
Mhm.
like not only was it like a good experience, but you felt like empowered by it, so that you could then take the next step and like, oh look, there's an Arduino project with a flashing LED. I wonder how that works, and like be that like little tiny bridge that gets people feeling confident. So that's
Yeah.
where that all came from.
I love it. I love it. I also love that I'm going to zoom in here for a second. I think maybe or not. There we go. The other
Ooh,
way
yeah,
around.
there
I
you
love,
go.
yes. I love that these are circuit board themed too.
Yes.
So super cool. I was like, wow, I didn't even know that when I got the kit. And so I
Oh
was
wow,
like,
you actually got a lucky one, because they are random. So there's, I think, like
"Ooh,
7 different patterns that I made.
ooh."
And actually it's kind of cool because you got 2 in a kit with the circuit board, and that would be kind of rare because they're like randomly chosen.
Dang.
So
I
woohoo.
feel kind of special now. And now that I'm going
Yeah.
through the kit, I am noticing, okay, I got two of the grids.
Okay.
And oh, I think I got yeah, no, it is pretty lucky that
There's a
yeah,
bunch of
that I
different
got
ones.
two circuit boards. So yeah, only got two of a
Cool.
few. Woohoo.
So yeah, you have the blues kit, and I have two. There's actually 4 kits. I have 2 of the other ones in front of me. Should I do
Ooh.
pink, orange, yellow, red, white, black? What should I do?
Well, I was gonna say for us it was between the blues kit and the neon kit. So
Okay,
I
so
kind
I'll
of like the neon.
do a neon one. All right, let me open this one up then. Let's see what I got. It's a box of chocolates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so they come with these nice instructions here.
Yeah, so everything in here was designed by me. I made the little instructions,
Nice.
and I made the battery packs, and I added on it, you have the power, change the world, so that
I,
if this is your first project with a battery, you feel empowered to keep going.
yeah, I loved that. And I thought that that was so cool that you had the batteries branded too. I was like, dang, that is fancy.